Welcome back. Can coordinated nationwide police operations finally turn the tide against kidnapping and violent crime in Nigeria? That question has become increasingly important as security agencies intensify efforts to dismantle criminal networks operating across the country. Within just 24 hours, Nigerian police say they rescued kidnapped victims, arrested suspected criminals, recovered illegal firearms, and disrupted criminal activities stretching across multiple states. The operation represents one of the latest attempts by law enforcement authorities to demonstrate that organized crime can still be confronted through intelligence-led policing and coordinated security operations. But why these arrests and rescues are being celebrated? Another question remains: are these isolated victories, or do they signal a broader improvement in Nigerian security landscape? Criminal gangs involved in kidnapping, armed robbery, vandalism, and other violent offenses continue to evolve, forcing security agencies to constantly adapt their strategies. The latest nationwide operation offers a glimpse into both the progress being made and the challenges that still remain. According to the Nigerian Police Force, coordinated operations carried out across 11 states within the last 24 hours resulted in the rescue of 12 kidnapped victims, the arrest of 15 criminal suspects, and the recovery of firearms, ammunition, stolen vehicles, and other exhibits believed to be connected to criminal activities. Police said the operation specifically targeted kidnapping, armed robbery, impersonation, vandalism, and other serious offenses. One of the most significant breakthroughs occurred in Niger State, where police tactical teams worked alongside local vigilantes to confront suspected bandits operating around Manguru village in Mariga local government area. According to police authorities, security personnel engaged the armed group in a gun battle before successfully rescuing 11 kidnapped victims without injuries. The rescued victims were later reunited with their families after receiving initial assistance. Police also confronted another arrest in Agala local government area of Niger State. Detectives investigating a fatal land dispute arrested a suspect believed to be connected with the incident. Although unrelated to the kidnapping operations, the arrest formed part of the broader nationwide security activities conducted during the same operational period. Meanwhile, in Oyo State, police recorded another important breakthrough involving the rescue of a 5-year-old child who had been kidnapped. According to the force, investigators relied on technology-driven intelligence gathering to locate the child and safely secure the victim's release. Police said 2 suspects were arrested during the operation and allegedly confessed to demanding a 10 million naira ransom, of which 1 million naira had reportedly already been paid before their arrest. Security operations continued elsewhere in Oyo State, where officers conducting stop and search duties in Ibadan intercepted another suspect. During the search, police reportedly recovered a locally fabricated pistol, a live cartridge, and suspected illicit drugs. Authorities say investigations into the suspect activities remain ongoing. In Edo State, detectives arrested 3 suspects allegedly linked to the vandalism of telecommunications infrastructure in Benin City. Follow-up investigation also led to the recovery of a Toyota Yaris vehicle, together with 12 heavy-duty batteries, which police believe had been stolen during an earlier criminal operation. Another significant arrest occurred in Kano State, where intelligence-led policing resulted in the arrest of a suspect accused of impersonating military personnel. According to police officers, recovered an AK-47 magazine loaded with 30 rounds of ammunition, an additional 29 rounds of 7.62mm ammunition, military uniforms, desert boots, and suspected fake military identification cards. Authorities say investigations are continuing to determine whether the suspect was connected to other criminal activities. The Federal Capital Territory also featured in the nationwide operation. Police operatives in Gwagwalada arrested another suspect during an intelligence-driven operation and recovered a locally fabricated firearm. Although police have yet to release additional details about the suspect's alleged activities, the recovery forms part of the wider effort to remove illegal weapons from circulation. Elsewhere, police in Gombe State arrested 2 suspects after intercepting a vehicle transporting 2 suspected stolen cows. Officers recovered the vehicle, while investigations continue to locate another suspect who reportedly escaped before the arrest was completed. In Ogun State, detectives arrested 4 suspects in separate investigations involving allegations of criminal impersonation, assault, and defilement. Police also recovered military uniforms allegedly used during one of the impersonation cases, highlighting continued concerns over criminals disguising themselves as security personnel. The nationwide operation extended beyond arrests and recoveries. Police tactical teams were also deployed to respond to violent incidents reported in Plateau, Zamfara, Akwa Ibom, Benue, and Bauchi states. According to the force, officers evacuated casualties, restored public order where necessary, and commenced investigation aimed at identifying and arresting those responsible for the various incidents. Overall, the Nigerian police said the coordinated operation resulted in the rescue of 12 kidnapped victims, the arrest of 15 suspects, and the recovery of 2 firearms, 60 rounds of ammunition, and 2 vehicles, alongside several other exhibits linked to criminal investigations. Authorities also confirmed that investigations remain ongoing as security agencies continue searching for additional suspects believed to have escaped during the operations. The latest operation demonstrates how intelligence sharing, technology-driven investigations, and interagency collaboration are increasingly shaping modern policing in Nigeria. Yet, it also reflects the scale of the security challenge confronting the country. While the rescue of victims and the arrest of suspects represent important victories, many communities continue to face threat from kidnapping, armed robbery, and organized criminal networks. The coming weeks will show whether sustained nationwide operations such as this can deliver not only tactical successes, but also long-term improvements in public safety across Nigeria. Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you find this report informative, kindly like, share, and subscribe for more news reports. I'm Chidera Esom. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next reports.